Welcome back to Hayden and Mark's Travels. Today we're sailing into the sparkling harbour of Chania Crete aboard the beautiful Sun Princess. And honestly, it's hard not to feel just a little bit fabulous arriving anywhere by ship. With the island calling and the Aegean Sea shimmering like a postcard, we team up once again with our partners in crime Anne and Stuart for a little adventure off the beaten path. Destination, Cabana Mare Beach Resort in Agia Marina, just 6.5 kilometres west of Chania, where the sunbeds are plush, the beats are smooth, and the cocktails look like they belong in a music video. Expect sunbathing, swimming in the crystal clear Aegean, and the kind of club sandwich that makes you rethink every sandwich you've ever had. After soaking up all that summer goodness, we head back to the Sun Princess to glam up for another gorgeous dinner at the Sanctuary restaurant. Because cruising calories don't count, or so we tell ourselves. And just when you think the day couldn't get any better, it's time for a retro 80s party at the Dome, complete with neon lights and maybe a few moves that probably should have been left in the 80s. So grab your sun hat, your sunscreen and your best shoulder pads, because this episode in Chania is about sunshine, laughter, good food and even better company. So, last night we went to Sabatini's. Italian restaurant, yeah, the trattoria. It's one of the speciality dining options, isn't it? And we've been really looking forward to going there because we love Italian food. And each course that we had, and there was quite a few courses.
Yeah, so it was a proper Italian menu in the sense that you had antipasti, and then you had primeri piatti, and then you had secondi piatti, and so you've got all sorts of things to start. We had polenta chips, didn't we? With a lovely marinara sauce. We had the what else did we have? Oh, we had that lovely homemade bread, didn't we, as well?
Yeah.
With the olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and then we got automatic antipasti on the table. There was the bread salad.
Arancini.
There was arancini. Oh my goodness, that was amazing.
We had spaghetti carbonara.
Yeah. We had 4 courses,
and then
we?
a chicken parmigiana as well. So each of those dishes was delicious within its own right, and we couldn't manage a dessert, could we? So normally I would have...
None of us had a dessert.
No, I'd have jumped straight onto the tiramisu normally, wouldn't I?
Yeah. But it was wonderful, and we'd seen lots of reviews from other YouTubers who have been to the trattoria and Sabatini's trattoria and really enjoyed it as well. And it seems that since those broadcasts, the portion sizes have fortunately now been made a little bit smaller, because I think everyone's feedback from when we watched was that the portions were huge and that you couldn't manage everything. We sort of struggled, but they were much more reasonable. So I'm glad if they've listened and done that, then that's a good thing.
And we also really like the interior.
Yes.
The restaurant as well. It's beautiful in these deep teal colours and
nicely
gold.
kitted out.
Yeah, it feels very opulent in there.
Yeah.
Like you could be, anywhere. You wouldn't have even thought that you were on board a cruise ship.
Well, our table of 4 was massive. For 4 was really, really big, wasn't it? It was a table. We just had so much space around us and in between us. That it was, and really big, lovely velvety seats, weren't they? Really like opulent, comfy chairs.
Gorgeous.
We can't fault it, and we can't praise everything on here enough. Really, we're having such a great time. It's been good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And of course, that was preceded, as always, by a trip to Crooners for a cocktail or 2, which was nice. And then
and I tried a beautiful raspberry cocktail in Crooners this time round, and it was the same colour as the shirt that I was wearing.
So that's the theme now. Hayden's obviously always trying to have a cocktail that matches the colour of his shirt each night. So that's the goal.
It's going to be blue.
It's going to have to have blue curacao in it, or something like that.
And so are you.
I know, indeed. Yeah, I might have to sip of yours. So, and then today we arrived in port at Chania, which is on the island of Crete. We docked nice and early again, but yeah, literally we arrived at 6 a.m. and it was already 31 degrees outside. We knew it was going to be a hot one, and it's been absolutely roasting. But we spent the first few hours this morning up on deck 18 at the Sanctuary Club, whilst everybody else jumped off ship, which was great. It was very, very quiet, and we were swimming all morning, weren't we? It was lovely.
Yeah.
And then we had an excursion this afternoon, which took us to a beach club at Agia Marina, which is in Chania itself.
It was amazing. It had such a cool vibe.
Yeah. Proper beach club, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was amazing. Like pools, and there was violinists, playing music, and then there was Ministry of Sound, wasn't there?
Yeah, so it's proper dance beach club. So yeah, you had really, we got 2 sun lounges with an umbrella included as part of the ticket price, didn't we? We could then order food. We had front row, so we were right on the front line of the ocean. So we had nobody sitting in front of us, and we were just by the sea.
We ordered these delicious club sandwiches.
Yeah, which were rather large, but very, very good. So that was great, and we swam, didn't we? It was lovely.
The water was like a baby's bath. It was warm as toast, and it was nice and calm.
Lovely clear water.
Yeah. But it's funny though, isn't it? Because as we were leaving the beach club, there was an earthquake.
Apparently, yeah. So we've got back on board this evening, and there's been a captain's announcement for us late returners, saying that, at 4:26 this afternoon, there was a 5.1 magnitude earthquake 31 kilometres northwest of Crete in the Aegean Sea, with no threat of tsunamis, no threat of further tremors or anything like that. But yeah, we didn't hear anything or feel anything. But 5.1 is quite strong, and for something so close.
We were just rolling our eyes at each other because it's like every destination that we seem to go to, there's either a volcano erupting, a tsunami warning, an earthquake, a fire, a devastating flood. And so it's kind of like a bit of a running joke now, isn't it?
It is, yeah, literally like we're sort of dodging bullets all the way through. As we go somewhere, so as we leave, something happens. But, fortunately, and thank goodness, no one's been hurt. And, there's no sign of any further activity. And, the captain has reassured everybody on board that there's absolutely nothing to worry about, but it is being monitored by everybody. So what's happening now is we've just we've just set sail. And we're leaving Crete now, and we're on our way to Kotor. No, we're not. We're on our way to Montenegro, to Bar in Montenegro.
And it's a sea day tomorrow.
Yeah, so we have a full sea day tomorrow. The weather's going to be much kinder. It's only going to be about 25 degrees, so we're not all going to cook.
Yeah, we're gonna run up to the sanctuary and nab the best seats up there in the shade.
Yeah.
Just so that we don't have to, sort of be out there. Because I mean, one of the people that we're cruising with, Stuart, he doesn't like being in the sun too much.
Yeah, and actually we're not enjoying being in the sun like all day anymore. We need to break it up as we're getting a bit more mature in our years. Gone are the days where we're laying on the beach all day covered in baby oil and cooking, smelling like a portion of chips.
Going for the burn on the last day.
Yeah, now we're just, we can't do that anymore. We do like a nice tan because it's, we don't feel that we've been on holiday if we don't go back with a tan that everybody's envious of. But
what are we doing tonight then?
So tonight, well, we're literally going to just go down now for our evening cocktail at Kroener's, and then we are going to be dining at the Sanctuary restaurant again because, of course, the Sanctuary restaurant is a benefit for those who have the Sanctuary package, which is obviously a Sanctuary suite or mini suite. So it's an exclusive restaurant just for suite guests, and it is really beautiful. It's so comfortable and plush as well, isn't it? And the service is really, really good.
And it is classed as a more formal night tonight as well, isn't it?
It is a formal night, yeah. So, but they don't expect you to wear ties and dicky bows anymore. It's about ladies are to be in lovely dresses or pantsuits as they call them, and gents are to be in trousers and shirts with collars. So. No shorts, no singlets, no t-shirts,
no thongs.
But likewise, it doesn't anymore need to be the all bells and whistles. But lots of people do really love to dress up, and it looks good, doesn't it? And
we did bring our suits and our jackets, but it's just too hot. Just like, I don't want to feel restricted.
No, we don't have to, and it just says what you would wear to go to a nice restaurant. So we think a pair of really nice chinos. A nice shirt with a collar,
a matching blue.
He's got linen. We look smart. We feel smart. We've got proper shoes on. So we're excited. So we're gonna.
And then we're going to an 80s disco.
And then there's an 80s party. Yeah, there's an 80s party in the dome and at the piazza. So we might just have to partake in that one because it is our era.
And we love 80s music. Don't
we do indeed. Yeah. So once again, we will get on our little ways and we will go and enjoy our evening, and we'll catch up again tomorrow.
Oh, but before we go, we just wanted to mention, didn't we?
Well done. And we should have probably mentioned this right at the beginning. We are very, very, very complimentary and full of praise for Princess Cruises. It is our second cruise with them. and it's our second experience of a mini suite as well.
Yeah, we had our honeymoon around Fiji, didn't we, on the first?
We did, yeah, but we want to just make it very, very clear that we've paid full price for our cruise. We've had no discounts, we've had no invites, we're not being sponsored by anybody. So the review that we're giving is an honest, genuine review of how we feel about the Princess Cruise that we are on. And yeah, we just wanted to be clear that, you know, there have been no handouts and no incentives to us from anywhere, and we have paid the full price. So we're going to go for our dinner now, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Have a great night.
Bye for now.
See ya.
While we didn't get the chance to wander through Chania this time, we had to share a little bit about this gorgeous slice of Crete, because honestly, it's the kind of place that instantly makes you think, right, we need to come back here properly. Chania is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, around 5,000 years of history layered like a delicious Greek lasagna. At its heart, it is the iconic Venetian harbour with its lighthouse standing watch like a glamorous supermodel who knows exactly where her good side is. The old town is a maze of narrow laneways, colourful bougainvillea and architecture shaped by centuries of Venetians, Ottomans and Minoans. Basically a history lover's dream with a side of ice-cold frappe. The region is also famous for its beaches, from the pink sands of Elefonici to the crystal clear waters of Balos Lagoon, making Chania one of the top coastal destinations in Greece. Food-wise, think olive oil that tastes like liquid sunshine, local wines that go down far too easily, and tavernas serving up dishes that could convert anyone into a permanent Mediterranean resident. It's the perfect blend of culture, coastline and Cretan hospitality, and trust us, it's firmly on our list for a future deep dive. But for now we're heading back to the Sun Princess, and in our next episode we're cruising towards Bar in Montenegro. It's going to be a full day at sea and we're spending it relaxing in the Sanctuary Club, showing you a partial tour of the ship so you can see where everyone else hangs out on a typical sea day. We'll finish off with one of the ship's most popular events, the Luminescence Party. Picture a sea of white outfits, glowing lights and an atrium full of cruisers dancing like nobody's watching. It's going to be stunning, energetic and a whole lot of fun, so stay tuned, our European adventure is just getting started.